everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of March 9th through the 15th. I didn't know what kit to use for this week. I could have found maybe a Pi Day kit. I don't know. So I ended up with this Hogwarts kit from Chels. This is the Ravenclaw coloring. So here's full boxes, some functionals, headers, little things, some dividers. Functional page. This one is from a oops bag, so it has a little too deep of cutting. This is a bunch of bottom washi, the glitter headers, icons, etc. More full boxes, functionals, little deco, full box checklist, washi, and then I have this extra one with a couple of different girls. I'm actually going to use this one because she looks the most like me, but I have other options and a couple extra boxes. So I also have some pieces from the Gryffindor version of this kit and another Ravenclaw kit, the Planner Girl version. So my plan is to kind of use the most Ravenclaw specific parts of this kit, I think, plus some other stuff to kind of fill in. And then I'll have a bunch of leftovers because there's so much in this kit, and I'll use some of that later. So in terms of the functional stuff to put down, I'm going to cover up this March that's in purple with my Mincho brush pen, I think, in black, so it's not so distracting. I'm setting random pages to the side. I'm going to use these headers. I think my plan is to make the color the same and do a pattern out and then to the center and then back. And then I'm going to use the 8th set in the sidebar, I think. I will probably use the weekend banner. And then I plan to cut, I have 3 bottom washi pieces here. I'm actually going to cut the bows from the other one, and I'm just going to use the bow part. And then I'm going to add this blue scotch tape to the bottom as well, just to kind of pizzazz it up a little bit. I don't know, it seems fun. So that's my plan. I'm going to put down the date covers, the headers, bottom washi, probably the weekend banner, and then I will be right back. Date dots just happen to correspond with the days when I pulled them. So I decided to make the headers also coordinate, and then I decided to pull in these little checklists and have them coordinate as well, which leaves me a leftover navy, which I can use, who knows, sometime in the future, I'm sure. So I need this one and this page. And maybe this page for the sidebar, and then, oh, and maybe a little bit of this page. So I have 8 full box checklists. I'm not going to use those this time, but I might use this hydrate one, I think. Sounds good for me, right? All right, so for the full boxes, I have these 2 extras here. I think I'm going to skip them for now. I'm also going to skip this one, which leaves me these 8. And that's my plan. So I'm going to just run them through the middle of this one, and I have 2 sets of double boxes. So I think I'm going to put those on Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Friday, Saturday is going to be my plan. So I think I'm going to put the planner up as like my quote box. I feel like that would be cute. Okay, and then what do I want in the center? I think I'm gonna put the girl in the center. She's really cute. I like her style. Okay. And then I'm gonna put this one over here. I don't know. I feel like bedrooms go better with weekends. Do I want to try to like squeeze this in? Nope, I'm going to leave it. Then I'm going to put the sitting room. I'm going to actually line it up here with the bottom. Alright, that works better. The sitting room over here on Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know, it seems very like studious. Okay, and then coffee for Mondays. I don't know what's in this mug, but I imagine it's coffee. There we go. And then this one is going to be on Sunday. All right, there we go. I am really liking how this is turning out. Okay, for the sidebar, I'm going to use the to do today and littles. It doesn't seem super logical, but I think it's going to work out. So my plan is to start by putting the to do in. If I can get it lined up. I think I'm actually going to leave a tiny gap. Okay, so I'm going to put in the to do, and then I'm going to, where did all my pages go? Oh, there it is. I'm going to use, my plan was to use the navy one, but I feel like that's too much navy. You know what, I'm going to do it anyway. I don't care. I'm going to use the navy habit tracker. So next I'm going to put in today. So this one is like, covers 2.5. So if I put in the today, is this enough space? Yeah. That's not completely centered, which is going to bother me, I guess. So this paper is like super removable, which is great, but I will say it like curls when I remove it a little. All right, there we go. Close enough. Okay, so that's for my job search. The today, I'm going to put in this like weekly box. Right here. And that's going to have my dinners in it. And then I'm going to put in this one that says littles, and I'm going to put this hydration box. There we go. And then at the very bottom, we'll broom fit, or is it too wide? I think it'll fit. I'm going to take the broom. Oh, that covers up some of it though. Never mind. Guess I cannot take the broom. I have some washi strips here, but that's like kind of too wide. Do I put in one of the squiggles? Do I just white it out? I could put in the wand, I guess, but that's seems kind of silly to stick like random deco all the way down there. I think I'm just gonna white out the dots. There we go. I think that's gonna be the best sidebar option. All right, so there is the sidebar done. I was gonna stick a little bit of deco in the to-do. I'm going to use a key, I think, because it looks cute. Because I feel like the hat is too big. Let me see. I know this is for like a job search, but all right, I think that'll be cute. Okay, so that's for my job search checklist. Make sure I'm working on it every day. All right, so now we are ready to move on to the plants. Cat hair everywhere. Sorry for like weird shadows. It's just very sunny right now. So Monday, the only thing I have scheduled right now is to film, edit, and upload my plan with me. So I'm going to use the little filming icon. And then I feel like I need a box of some sort. I'm going to use one of these half boxes. I'm going to use this like wood paneling half box. All right, I'm like holding too many things. Put that in, and then I'm just going to stick this in the corner. That is for film, edit, upload my plan with me. On Tuesday, the main thing that I want to mark is that my husband has standby for his ambulance. I'm trying to figure out what one I want to use. Maybe I'll use this one. Oh, that's not on Tuesday anyway. So Tuesday is actually curling day. I totally know what I'm doing here. Maybe I'll use like these quarter boxes. I don't want to use the flat one. All right, I'm gonna use this one. So Tuesday we have an early game. I'm gonna use the Prairie Planner ones I always use. I know this is like bright blue, but I think once the spread is like all put together, it's not gonna be like overwhelming. So I'm just gonna do it Wednesday. We get to what I was going to mark before. My husband is doing standby for his ambulance for a couple hours. So I'm going to use some Creative Cavern Studio stethoscopes. Let me see. I think I'm gonna use this blue one. Her store is now closed. It just closed. So unfortunately you can't get these anymore, but still gonna use them. All right, Thursday I'm going to use maybe this one. We have another early game. I'm very excited about having early games this week. So that is now done, and I can put that away. All right. That is all I have scheduled for Thursday, and then Friday is the last thing I have scheduled right now. I guess I'll use the gray one. My husband's doing standby again. I know these are like skinnier than this, but I think that's gonna be fine. And I think I'm gonna use the dark brown one this time, if I can get it. It's like her old format of sheets, so they're like really densely packed, which is great, but it can make them a little bit difficult to remove. All right, that is done. Saturday is pie day. I don't have like an icon for that, but I think I'm gonna use the butterbeer, which I just think it's gonna work fine. I think I'm gonna use like this navy bubbly box. Is that what these are called? Does anybody know what they should call them? And the butterbeer to mark that as pie day. All right, and then Sunday I have nothing scheduled right now. So that is everything for my pre-planning. I'm liking how it's looking. I'm gonna fill it out with the same like iHow 0.38 pen that I use every week, and I will be right back. All right, there we go. That is everything all filled out for my pre-planning. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how this turned out. It was perfect, very like Ravenclaw-esque. I have a ton of leftovers, which is good because I have some other kit pieces from other Harry Potter themed kits from Chasing Chels, so I'll use some of this stuff there. Washi, icons, a couple of full boxes, a bunch of functional stuff, a bunch of little things and some sidebar headers, some more functional boxes. I have this little strip of some girls. I have all these full box checklists, some washi strips, one more full box, and some more functional stuff here. So going through the week, most everything is from the kit. So this bottom washi is from Scotch, just this one. And then the two curling rocks are from Prairie Planner. The two stethoscopes are from Cavern Studio, who's now closed. And then everything else is from the kit. So I really like this one. And I think I'll be doing another like Harry Potter themed spread with some of these leftovers. I don't know, maybe in a couple months, maybe over the summer, we'll see. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you aren't already. I really appreciate that. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see finished spreads, in progress spreads, etc. I tag all the shops there. And until next time, bye.